Sa pumili na mystery card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang sinusubukang i-manifest ng inyong kaaway sa inyong buhay. I'm sensing it that you could have a calm attitude. To be honest with you, na-sense ko sadness. Okay, over a lost loved one is what I sense. Parang gusto mong sabihin, hindi pa ba sapat yun? This is actually sad, okay? I feel like it's kinda like a sad story. So, can be dahil sa kaaway, kaya nawala yung loved one. That can be. Parang gusto mo yung kaaway ay maging ashamed or regretful about sa ginawa niyang kalokohan. Honestly, pero I don't feel that way with regards sa taong may gawa ng mali. I feel na kung ano man ito, feeling ko nangyari na siya, nangyari na yung damage. Hugs to every one of you. But for some of you, maybe, hindi pa to nangyayari. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I'm sensing calming voice from heaven. Parang gusto kang i-comfort ng Panginoon about sa inyong loss or pwede rin sa betrayal. I don't know, pero na-sense ko betrayal of public trust, which is weird. Maybe it's about somebody na nasa public eye or pwede sikat na tao or so forth. In a sense ko, naguguluhan is also what I sense. So we have this one here. So yung gustong i-manifest ng inyong kaaway is definitely parang gusto niya maging memory na lang yung pagsasama niyo with a person that really loves you. We have this one. Okay, parang gusto yung kuluhin. Siguro love life ito. Or it can be mawala yung isa sa family members or yung tao talaga na mahal mo, like a friend and so on. Honestly. So, nakakalungkot kasi we have the voice here. Honestly, I have a feeling that is with regards sa bribery na rin. To be honest. So, paano siyang feeling kung may kinalaman sa one? Yung storya doon ay parang nasobra ng mga bullies, honestly. Pero kasi with regards to these cards, ibig sabihin lang nun na meron sigurong binabayaran yung inyong kaaway to use their voice in a bad way. Okay? Pero, really depends sa tao na yun na binabribe nila if they will accept this offer to speak out the negativity, honestly speaking. So, pinakita dito sa cards natin that you definitely have a person that you love, as you can see. So, yung tinatry niyang i-manifest dito ay mawala yung connection, as you can see. Kasi kung sino man yung lover mo, or kung sino man tong mahal mo na tao, this person definitely give you inspiration. And this evil person could be thinking na kung mawala itong tao sa inyong buhay, and then what will happen to you is that syempre malulungkot ka. Honestly, kasi kung sino man itong tao na meron ka sa ngayon, they could be somebody who is helping you out with regards to this card. As you can see, or this person can give you something what you desire of. Can be whomever that is nakaklose mo, ito yung tao na siguro nagbibigay sa'yo, or can be a breadwinner of your family. That can be. So remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, okay? So feeling I feel na yung feeling mo parang lagi kami namala sa buhay or parang binubuli ka ng tadhana or so forth kasi I'm sensing as well na maybe you're not independent yet. To be honest with you, like nasanay ka na meron kang connection, siguro isa to sa parang natutukso sa'yo. So, balak gawin ng inyong kaaway ay ibuli ka at sabihin na hindi mo kaya mag-isa kasi lagi ka na lang may kasama with a connected being here. Honestly speaking. So, gustong gawin ng inyong kaaway na mawala yung focus mo. I feel na this is not with regards sa career, but with regards to the lover or somebody who loves you. Honestly speaking, at magkaroon ka ng loss. Nakalungkot kasi I have a feeling na if ever something has been lost, like example, can be nakaduda kasi we have the mystery here. Kasi nafe-feel ko parang may namatay, yun ang nafe-feel ko na energy. Or may nawala sa inyong buhay. Can be that lover, can be nagkaroon ng third party, whatever it is. Parang naisip mo parang mystery, parang siguro if ever this is about love life, siguro yung inyong tao bigla na lang siyang nagbago, bigla na lang siya nawala sa inyong buhay, bigla ka na lang niyang pinagpalit, pwede dahil na-bribe siya. Parang mysterious kasi naisip mo na kung sino man yung taong mabuti na to sa'yo, hindi niya gagawin. Kung ano yun, to be honest, parang may unfinished story. Ito yung nararamdaman mo sa iyong puso na may misteryo na nangyari. If ever somebody passed away, parang mysterious yung kanyang pagkamatay. I have a feeling that based on your reading, may kinalaman siya doon sa kaaway mo. Honestly. Kaya parang misteryoso yung pagkawala. Okay, so anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Hugs everyone kasi nakakalungkot ito. So we have the issue. We also have this one in reverse. So some of you this with regards sa love life. So target ang inyong kaaway ay yung mawala yung somebody that you love in your life. I feel like this is childhood for some of you. So can be this is with regards to your parents or those people that you really love, which is sad. So, we have the chain here. So, gusto na inyong kaaway na kontrolin ka. So, mag-ingat kayo, lalo na kung kamag-anak nyo to na parang gusto niya mag-take over or take charge. Honestly speaking, sa inyong buhay para kontrolin ka. So, we also have the missing you in either way. Some of you talaga, you have feeling na nangyari na to. Parang naghahanap ka ng parang bang katotohanan kung ano talaga yung nangyari sa inyong kamag-anak or doon sa tao na mahal mo. Kasi hindi mo maintindihan kasi mysterious yung pagkawala. Okay? At ito yun. So, yung dahilan na yun is yung kaaway mo may ginawang kalokohan. Honestly speaking. So, some of you, hindi pa naman to nangyayari kasi si missing you ay naka-in either way. So, since you are aware, I would say na mag-pray ka sa Panginoon kasi may potential naman na hindi mangyari itong masamang bagay na to kung yung binabribe ng kaaway mo ay hindi tatanggapin yung offer. Which is sad. Some people fall into this trap at nakita mo yung distortion na nangyari if, you know, somebody accept the bribe. At sabi ko, tingnan mo nangyari sa Pilipinas, maraming mga nababribe. Anong ginagawa nila? Ito sinisira nila yung lupang pinanggalingan nila. They're not seeing the consequences of their action at nagkakaroon lalo ng distortion. So, same goes with your story. Na yung nawala dito, yung distortion is syempre, nalungkot ka. Hugs to every one of you. So let's see what else do we have here. I'm sensing kaaway. Or pwede rin kaagaw. Maybe kaagaw sa mana. That can be. Nakakalungkot to. Kasi kung sino man yung kaaway mo, gusto ka niya talaga maging malungkot or maging mapag-isa. Kasi parang binubuli ka dahil yun nga, dependent ka. Yun siguro nakita niyang kahinaan mo na hindi mo kaya mag-isa. So, kaya kanya binuli, which is sad, okay? So far, yun nga, yung tinatry niyang i-manifest ay mawala kung sino man itong balanse sa pera sa inyong buhay, actually. So, tinatarget niya yung inyong emotions para hindi ka maging masaya. To be honest with you, at nakikita mo na lang yung lungkot, hindi mo na nakikita yung blessing na binigay sa iyo ng Panginoon. So, yun ang maiksing salita, gusto kanya maging malungkot emotionally. Kasi syempre mahirap din mawala ng loved one. You know, nakalungkot. So, yung iba siguro nangyari dito is, sa salita, we have this one. Parang binabribe to speak out with regards to this King of Swords. So, pwede rin nangyari dito is yung last can be with regards sa business. You know, meron sigurong tao na nira with regards sa business mo or so forth na binayaran. Kasi yung tinatry na i-manifest sa inyong kaaway sa inyong buhay ay magkaroon ka ng unsuccessful life, honestly speaking. Siguro with regards to this one being in reverse, kasi ito yung vibe mo sa ngayon na parang dire-diretso lang yung inyong buhay, wala na yung inyong buhay, yung inyong gawa, wala na halos pahinga. I feel like for some of you, you could be having this work, na busy ka sa work, honestly, at gusto ni inyong kaaway na maging ganito ka, na maging stagnant ka dahil sa inyong pakiramdam na kalungkutan dahil may nawala sa inyong buhay na malapit sa'yo na mahal mo, which is sad. So, since you're aware, guys, I will suggest to pray it over to the Lord na sana kung naman ang minamanifest ang inyong kaaway, hindi yun mangyari kasi masyado kang masasaktan if somebody that you love will go away, honestly speaking. But if ever this already have happened in your life, I hope that somehow this reading may give you some clarity that there has been bribing that happened, kaya ito nangyari. Okay, kaya nawala yung tao na mahal mo. Hugs to everyone. And pray over sa Panginoon for the healing of your heart kasi hindi ganun kadali tanggapin yung pagkawala. Okay, so anyway guys, hugs to every one of you and God bless you.